So why do some clients compare you on price? Well, there's a couple of main reasons here. The first one is they're not really connected to the value that you're actually offering them. So you need to think long and hard about how you communicate the actual value, the return on investment, the ROI that you're going to get to them. That's the first thing. The second thing is they haven't really been made aware of, or it's not painful enough, the cost of inaction, so doing nothing, or the cost of delay. Now, a lot of the business owners I talk to miss these two things in particular. So what's the cost of somebody not buying from you, not solving their problem, not doing the thing? There will be a cost to it. Maybe financial, may not be financial, but there will be a cost. They're not necessarily going to get an invoice through the post, but it's your job as the seller to say, look, if you don't do this, then blah, blah might happen, or you'll still have blah, blah problem. And then you ask this question, which is one of my most favorite ones in sales. Are you okay with that? Now, are you okay with that? It's kind of a subtle dig to say, you're mad. I wouldn't be okay with that, but it's a nice, polite way of doing it. So focusing on the cost of inaction, the cost of delay, and specifically talking about the ROI, the return on investment. If you get those three things right, you shouldn't really ever have anybody arguing about the price, asking for discounts, or comparing on price, because they can finally see the true value of what you're doing.